Hey guys, James McIlwee back again, and it's time for another vlog. This is the aftermath of the snowstorm of 2013. This is out in my front yard, and I shoveled the driveway out. I shoveled the front pathway out. My dad's car's shoveled out, and I brushed the snow off of it. Yeah. This is on Saturday afternoon. Yeah. And the trees have gotten snow on them. Yeah. And the sun's out. Shabam. And the sun has melted some of the snow on that I shoveled out. Yeah. Now the front walk is clear, and so is the driveway. Yeah. This is out in the backyard, and yeah. It's not the kind of snow that you can sled in. It's too crusty at the top and too powdery underneath, I think. So the kids didn't get out. Yeah. I take my sled out sometime, but probably not now. Yeah, so yeah, that's my quick video, and be sure to check back for more videos, so thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Take care.